Welcome to the Macrobatics Today channel and our series on acupressure points as described by Carrie Loeb in Macrobatics Today.
Right, I'm going to show you how to get to it, but before we do that, this point is called Large Intestine 4, also called Hoku in Chinese. It's considered by many to be the most important point in the entire body. Remember I talked about stomach 36 right here as being the most important point, and I believe it is. Well, large intestine 4 ranks really as a close second, if not first, according to some people. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Let's look at the chart, and you will see this is really good. As we talked about earlier, a few minutes ago, we talked about immunity and Wei Qi. This is the point that will allow to strengthen the Wei Qi and to build our immunity. It's good for colds, flus, viruses, very good for toothache because the meridian comes like this, comes all the way up into here. Remember when we saw the chart, comes up into the head and face? So I know people who will go to dentists and they don't want to get anesthetized, and what they will do is have their acupuncturist come with them, and they will put a needle right here. And then, of course, they'll put needles up in the tooth area too on the large intestine, but primarily here to eliminate or diminish any sort of pain from dental work. I'm not that brave. I'll just take the anesthesia, but some people swear by it. The most important thing about this point is that if you have any pain anywhere in the body, according to Chinese medicine, that indicates stuck qi and stuck blood flow. So it's a stagnation. It's a stagnation condition. This is the most important point for moving the stagnation in the body. So this is the point, any pain anywhere in the body, this is the point you want to push. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. But it works really well in combination with liver 3. So any sort of pain syndrome, you'd want to work this point, which we're going to do in a minute. Remember this point right here? This is liver 3. It's the source point on the liver meridian, and really important point for many different things, but it's actually in the top 5, top 10 points in the body. Large intestine 4 is certainly in the top 5, if not number 1. So you work this point, and then you work this point. These 2 points together will allow for a free flow of energy and kind of busting through any sort of stagnation of any qi and blood that is causing pain anywhere in the body. So let's look at how we're going to get to this point. We're going to come in. So if you put your hand like so, and you see the line that comes right here, at the top of that line, as you open your hand up, is the point. It actually comes into the index finger. We're going to take our thumb, we're going to come over, we're going to find that point right here. Can you see that? See that? And then we're going to bring our hand over on top of that point, and we're actually going to pull our thumb in towards the index finger into this point. Very likely you'll feel a little bit of tenderness in here, and we just want to work this point.